As we delve deeper into the world of technology, it's clear that Google Sheet Integration API has become an invaluable tool for businesses worldwide. It's the fundamental technology that drives connectivity and data sharing between different software and applications. Ideally, they should have a deep understanding of the underlying concepts, technical details, and functional capabilities of the Google Sheet Integration API. The Google Sheet Integration API is a powerful tool that allows seamless data transfer between Google Sheets and external applications. This API has revolutionized the way businesses operate, allowing for seamless integrations between Google Sheets and numerous other applications. This integration API provides a seamless connection between Google Sheets and third-party applications, making data management a breeze. With this API, users can easily automate workflows, simplify data entry and analysis, and ultimately optimize productivity. So why wait? Contact SMS Local for growing your business with Google Sheet Integration API.